Today we'll be showing you guys how to replace the rear fender on your Apollo Pro 2023. The only tool you'll need for this repair is a 2.5mm Allen key and you should be good to go. So first things first, what we're gonna do is we're gonna remove the two rubber caps that are on the side of our brackets. Next, with a 2.5mm Allen key, we'll start removing the screws that are holding the bracket in place. So now we'll go ahead and remove the screw in the back. Next, we'll go ahead and repeat the process on the other side. Now we'll go ahead and start removing the 4 screws that are being held in the back here. And now the fender will come off. Make sure to hold it before removing the final screw so it doesn't slip and fall. And now you can go ahead and just remove it. So now that we've got the fender removed, we will install our new fender. For the purpose of this video, we'll be reusing the same fender. So we'll make sure our holes are lined up. Grab one of our screws. All right, and now we've got our 4 screws holding the fender in the back. We'll go ahead and start adding the 4 screws that hold the bracket in place. And last but not least, we'll go ahead and make sure to put back the rubber caps on each side of the bracket. And just like that, you have now successfully replaced the rear fender on your Apollo Pro 2023.